Today then the maiden flight of the Cargotrans C160. There's a little bit of a breeze coming directly towards us. Hopefully it shan't affect things. Let's see how we get on. Oh, it's like a homesick eagle.
Half throttle, down the runway, just a little bit of correction with the wind. That'll land lovely, or it should do.
3 minutes.
Nicely done, Steve. Very good.
There you go, mate.
1 minute.
There we have it then. There we have it then, the first and successful flight of the Cargotrans C160. Very pleased with the way it went. Some minor trimming to do. And now that we know that it flies, we can think about doing some decoration on the model as well. My thanks as always to Steve for helping me out with the maiden flight, and thanks for watching.